Welcome to the Weather Center, and here's what we are looking at this Tuesday afternoon. The cold front passing through our shores has already introduced the rainy weather across southern South Africa, and later on in the day we are going to have rain and thunder showers setting in across KwaZulu-Natal. On Wednesday, wet weather should persist along the south and the east coast. Our latest satellite picture is still showing mostly clear skies over the bulk of South Africa, but further south we have the cold front now cutting across the Eastern Cape, and behind it a lot of clouds streaming into southern South Africa. Here's what Cape Town is currently looking like, with a bit of cloud overhead threatening to produce isolated showers. So for the rest of your Tuesday, it's going to stay mostly cloudy with rain and thunder showers across the Western and the Eastern Cape, and we are going to see the wet weather spreading into KwaZulu-Natal towards the evening. Mostly sunny skies are forecast for the northern and eastern parts of the country. On Wednesday, we are going to stay with wet weather along the south and the east coast. It's going to be dry but cooler for the Free State and the Northern Cape. Mostly sunny and warm weather is forecast over the northeast. We are expecting up to a 60% chance of rain and thunder showers this Tuesday along the south coast and the southern parts of the Eastern Cape, where you see the lighter shades of blue. Up to a 40% chance of precipitation is expected. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for severe thunderstorms for the northeastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Light to moderate winds are forecast this afternoon for the eastern half of South Africa. However, look out for strong winds around East London and Port Elizabeth. It's also going to be breezy around the Cape Peninsula and also around DR. Afternoon temperatures are going to struggle to reach the lower 20s and upper teens over the southern parts of South Africa. It's going to stay warm, however, across the western interior as well as the eastern parts of South Africa. Temperatures shooting to around 32 degrees in Richards Bay, cooler as we go towards Durban and Pietermaritzburg, as well as over the northeast, where highs will lie mostly in the upper 20s. It's going to be rather nippy, however, overnight, especially over the central areas, where minimums will drop into the single digits. Sutherland dropping to just 2 degrees, 12 for the mother city. Minimums around 13 for Port Elizabeth and East London. It's going to be much warmer for the KZ and coastal areas. Johannesburg will drop to around 11. 13 for your low temperature in Pretoria. We are going to stay with light rain on Wednesday along the south and the east coast, spreading into Mbombela. It's going to be mostly sunny but cooler over the central and western interior. Then on Thursday, wet and cool weather continues over the southern parts of South Africa. Thunder showers are forecast over the northeast. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.